Hi everyone! Today we're in Los Montesinos. We've been invited here by a property developer, and Olga will tell us more about them. Olga, who is this company and why did they invite us here?
Hi everyone, so today we are located in Los Montesinos. We would like to present you a new project. His name is Laguna Azul, and this project includes 11 villas, and the name of the construction company is AMAI, one of the best and famous construction company in Spain. We would like to show you the show house that includes 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, independent pool, parking space, and the price of this villa is 465,000 €.
Let's take a closer look at this villa. Here's a quick video tour. Right now, we're at a construction site that's still in progress. Let's take a look inside and see how the work is coming along.
So this villa is the biggest villa in this project. It has amazing and big pool, 20 square meters, and 3 bedrooms on main floor, 2 bathrooms, and it has a basement that includes 2 bedrooms, 1 bath and 1 independent kitchen. So it can be used like guest home.